video you saw just now is made by using an AI model. Can you believe it? I know it's hard to believe. So AI is disrupting the marketplaces these days. The way marketing campaign used to run, the way operations used to run, each and every domain of the business is being affected by AI. And in our podcast today, we will try to dive deep into this topic, how AI is actually disrupting the businesses. We will interact with Astitwa Dwivedi, who is an AI growth manager. He works for the startup 299. 299 is a startup based in Noida. It has its branch in Dubai as well. And they help their client, basically businesses, to use AI technologies in order to cut short their workforce. So this interaction is going to revolve around how AI is changing the business dimensions, the way they used to function, and what will the future look like. So let's start the podcast. Thanks a lot for joining us today, and we are honored to have you here on our podcast so that you can guide the audience, basically the MBA students and those who are looking forward to do something in the field of AI. So before we start, I would request you to please introduce yourself to our audience.
Good evening, Avinash and Shashank. So I am Astitwa Dwivedi, who is currently working as an AI growth manager in 299, and my work role is deploying agents for my clients so that we can reduce the workforce.
So basically your job is to reduce the jobs of human, if I am not wrong. That is what you do?
Yes.
So this would lead us to the question that is AI replacing the humans?
Definitely it's replacing the humans. Like we can see in current world, you can't even differentiate between an AI ad or a human ad, AI model or a human model. So there is a very thin line which you can differentiate only if you are into
you are
this
an
field.
expert. Only then one can differentiate. Okay, so Astitwa, will you like to tell us more about it? Like how exactly AI is replacing humans? As in what all tasks you make AI do instead of humans, which was earlier supposed to be done by human beings?
So if I talk about my present project, what I'm doing right now. So if you see, earlier we have to make a proper calendar, what we have to do in our day-to-day life or in our weekly plans, and sometimes we even forget that this is going to be something which is something important for us, or sometimes we miss the deadlines. But now what I am working upon is that connecting the Google calendars to a specific AI agent which will remind you every time you ask the agent to tell you. Let's say if I give him a trigger that you please tell me about my daily plans at morning 10 a.m. So every morning, instead of any human or any something planned, the AI agent is going to remind me about my daily tasks, and if at the end of the day he will even ask me, he will even give me a report what I want to, and likewise it will go. And it's a very small project which I'm making right now.
So how is that AI affecting your team dynamics? Like how many team it used to be earlier and how much team members are right now? That
I won't say that it has replaced human right now, but we are working upon it so that we can reduce the workforce of our clients. If like our company wants to give our client this workforce, then I think every other client needs a person like me. So our company won't be affected. Our company there is
it's good for your company that but others will approach you for
but not for the other companies. Like if you see recently TCS has fired 12,000 employees. So they are definitely going to be replaced by someone, and what I think personally that most of them will be replaced by an AI.
Okay, so in what all domains your company caters for other companies, like marketing or operations?
Yeah, so marketing, SEO, and AI agents, and cybersecurity also, and website development, all these things. But mostly in these terms, like digital platform marketing and AI agents.
So one question is, for example, you are the one making the AI agent and you are the one training it and working with it. So does it criticize you? Like, does it come back and help you in making your task better, or does it point out your work or something like that? Or is it just the work you are doing is best for the AI?
No. Every time it does something, because I've trained my AI in that way that it has to maintain that dignity of our company, that sageness, that part that it should be delivered to the client in terms of our company, not me. So every time I give them a command about my work, then automatically first of all it clears himself only ki I whatever points I have trained it with the company, so it will do the work accordingly. But in case I provide my content, then it won't take my content. Like in the sense, you ask me a random question that how can this how digital marketing help their company, so it won't reply like me, it will reply like the company.
Okay.
Yeah.
So you have trained your model not as someone individual. It is the identity of your company. It speaks on the behalf of your company.
Yeah.
How is AI helping them? In which domain is specifically your company helping them?
Yeah. So
Is it the operations, is it the finance, or is it the marketing?
So if talking about any builder brand, so they want to sell their product before it's launched. If
Okay.
They are
matlab,
like
let's
to
say,
manufacturing.
yeah,
So-
no, not
sorry,
manufacturing.
not manufacturing.
Like
They are
a
into
flat.
real estate.
Yeah, if a real estate in a building, real estate building.
Booking.
So they have to give the exact video what they are going to work upon before that building is made.
How that
Obviously, yeah.
project will look like once it is completed.
So earlier it used to take 3D models, CGI, Blender, all these things. But now it's very easy for us to make within 20 to 30 minutes, and after that it's all editing of video. So AI is all doing this thing. It's taking the input, creating a complete image, how the image is going to look, and then creating a video like the CGI, everything, 3D model, everything, whatever you can think of a model, that thing AI is going to do.
So what all platforms you use to create these videos or marketing campaigns?
Yeah, so I'll tell you this language. So there is a person, the content writer, who gets what the company wants.
Okay.
He makes a
He
entire.
gets that from the client.
Yeah, let's say I'm the content head who will talk to the head of the company or whoever represents that company or the client. He will get the entire domain, what they want, what type of thing they want. So he will note down all the things. He will now give it to me. I will make a complete script using AI only, very easy. From you can take Gemini and ChatGPT, Perplexity, everything, whatever you. There are multiple platforms. Whatever you want, you can take. Then after that, if it is a video, let's say it's a 20-second video. So we generate every second, every frame. Like for the first second, what we want; for the second frame, what we want; for the third frame, we want. Now accordingly, we will generate images according to that frames. Like it's a 20-second video and we divide it into, let's say, 5 parts. So there are all 4-second clips.
Okay.
है ना? So for every 4-second clip, we'll generate an image. Now for every 4-second clip, we got an image. Now we'll check whether all the color grading is correct or whatever. Whatever the things are correct or not. If there are any changes, then I'll get to
So
the
this
editor.
must be time consuming.
Not much as it used to be earlier.
Okay.
So after that the image is generated, we now take this into that platform. This platform is Midjourney, which generates the images from text. So they in that platform only we give it the prompt how we want that video to be, that part of the video to be. It will generate that video, and then finally we compile it and we deliver it.
Okay, so for example, let's say I have a YouTube channel in which I guide defense aspirants, and I want an intro video for my videos, which I can use it every time in the beginning of the video. So if I have to get that from you, so using the same Midjourney platform which you mentioned, you can create a short intro video for me, 20-25 seconds long.
Sure.
And everything in that video will be AI made. Right?
Everything will be AI made. If you want, let's say you have some photos of your time in NDA, it can even animate those photos also.
Okay, as per the prompt it will even.
Yeah, exactly, keeping your face, everything the same. It can even edit those photos for you also. And these are very famous, trending in family photos.
Yeah.
Okay.
You must have seen on internet.
We have also seen that Dhanush ending video in Ranjana. I believe it has changed and has made a lot of fuss in social media as well.
Yeah, this is the recent controversy, I think, that
Yes, the ending of the Ranjana is
Ranjana has been changed because of the AI.
So it just not just only reduces the time, it also reduces the person working on it.
Yeah.
Earlier this work might have taken 5 to 6
people in a
because
team. First it's going to be content writer, then it's going to be a script writer, then a video editor, then it will go into
shooting the
The
director.
entire channel has been
changed, and now only one guy like me is sitting who is getting this
So
thing.
don't you think your job is also going to suffer in future because of AI, or there is no scope of that?
I don't think so. Matlab, there is a scope, but not right now because I'm
As
only
of now,
creating.
you are saying you
Because
can use it.
right now I'm creating those agents only who can.
Change is the
Yeah.
only constant
Yeah.
you are following.
Okay, so Astithu, would you like to suggest anything for the, let's say, management students who are in their college and who are going to graduate very soon? What are tools they can learn about AI which will help them in their job, be it about finance, marketing, operations in any domain? Is there anything that they should know about AI, how it works, or maybe prompt engineering?
Prompt engineering I would recommend to everybody, not only management. And frankly saying, I've never taken any course for AI. I just learned it from YouTube, and even today I'm learning. Sometimes I stuck also. So I suggest everyone just to watch videos if they have interest. Matlab, it's a complete game of interest only. So try to learn and gain new skills. It's not necessary कि आपको it's in the college, like in my college I was taught C++, HTML and Python,
Correct.
which are not being used these days.
Right?
And now people have now shifted to React, JS and everything. And I don't think that this C++ is now in use also. Matlab, it's in use, but mostly people type their problem in ChatGPT and they'll get the solution there only. So I would suggest to go more into this prompt engineering part, and you will learn more new things about how to write this thing. And coming on to management part, matlab, I'm not a management guy, so frankly saying, you can take Gamma. Gamma is a PPT making
Yes. Yes,
AI.
platform.
So you can use that for the presentations. You can use numerous AI. Numerous AI. It's a ChatGPT for Excel. So whatever you want, graphs, pie chart, bar chart, everything that part can do. If you have very big data, let's say thousands of pages, it can compile a short form for that. You can even ask, you can just talk just like ChatGPT, and it will answer accordingly for your Excel sheet and spreadsheets. So it's
So one more thing, there's a new hot topic that AI is killing the creativity in people. What do you think about
I
it?
definitely say yes that it's killing, because
But isn't your job also a creative job?
my job is creative, but I know the loophole now how to get out of it. But frankly saying, if you see any random guy, if he's stuck in any problem, he'll definitely go into ChatGPT or Gemini and just find for the solution. I have seen my brother or sister, if they're stuck in any question,
They don't
maths
apply
question,
anything.
they don't.
They
use
don't
it.
make efforts of thinking. And
They just write down and ChatGPT answers that part.
Okay, so Astithu, how do you think how reliable these AI platforms are or chatbots are in your opinion? At times they cannot trust them always. So do you agree with this, or you have a different opinion?
I have a different opinion, because if talking about 2019 or 20, they were not reliable. But today, since every person is using these platforms, so it has trained a lot, like ChatGPT, Gemini, it's normal. So they are trained so much that now they are giving perfect answers.
can you also brief training for our viewers who are from not this
So
background?
ChatGPT and Gemini, I'm taking these two names only because I use them mostly. So these work not only on internet, these work like whatever you say. If you I give you an example. If you ask any question in ChatGPT, you will see that it has shown memory updated.
Okay.
Okay, every time we ask something, it updates itself.
It updates itself, because whatever question you will ask, it will automatically be saved in their servers, the servers of ChatGPT, and now it is saved forever. And now, just like our brain, that we have learned anything and it's
It
forever.
stays there.
So, and every time you ask the question, the servers run not only on internet, but they try to find it in their servers, and now it works.
So, any more technical questions you want to?
Just one more thing I want to know, that since you work for a company which is using AI and helping other businesses to grow, so how does your company inculcate AI in their day-to-day operations? Do you guys also use AI for your own work, as in the management side, or let's say in conducting
So, let's say if I want to make any PPT for presentation, not to our client, but to our team.
to our
So,
higher authority
yeah.
management?
So we use that Gamma only because we want to make basic presentations. Now, like these SEOs, they work on in search engine optimization. They work in Excel sheet mostly, taking the content, how much content. SEO is a search engine optimization. where let's say I put my website there, and now it will find out how many viewers saw the first page of the website, how many viewers saw the second page of the website, and then accordingly we can optimize our website. It can cover
So that it can reach to wider audience.
so that content is recorded in Excel sheet. So every time just seeing the numbers is very problematic for our team also. So we make a pie chart accordingly, or a graph.
Using AI.
Yeah. So everything using AI and graph, that we can analyze the trend also, and it can give trend up to how much data you feed. So it's very easy for us also.
So can we say that in future we won't be able to see the traditional advertisements that we used to see? I think it will be very difficult for people like us to differentiate, because today when like you showed us some of your work, it was very difficult for me to recognize that this has been made using AI. So I think that in future everything around us will be made by using AI, some sort of AI only.
Not only in future, I think in present also. If you have heard that news, that I think book name Vogue, Vogue,
The magazine.
yeah, that magazine has replaced all its model with AI.
Okay.
So now whatever models you see in that magazine, they are all AI generated. So this is how the things works, and I think that it's going to replace, obviously, and it will make the work easier for them also.
Okay, yes. Thank you so much for your time. It was nice to interact with you.
Thank you.
And
very much.
hopefully our audience will learn something, and we definitely got to learn. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.